Good afternoon and happy Friday. Well, it was a very good day for the Australian share market, with the ASX 200 lifting by 55 points or 0.9%, finishing right on 6,300 points. So while there were more days where the market went backwards this week than improved, today was enough to actually recoup all of those losses. And it also puts the ASX 200 just 6 points away from hitting the best levels in 10.5 years. Also, with just 2 trading days remaining in July, we are certainly on track to see the market improve now for 4 consecutive months. So certainly quite a big change from the start of the year, where between January and March we had the worst start to a new calendar year in a decade. But today about 150 of the 200 biggest stocks improved. There were strong gains from the banks, which contributed in a big way to the gains, but the single stock that did best and actually was the biggest contributor to the improvements was BHP Billiton. It's now the second largest company on the Aussie market as far as its market cap goes, and it's up about 2.5%. The reason it announced today it's selling its underperforming oil business in the US, the shale operations there, for close to $11 billion US dollars. That's about 14.5 billion Aussie dollars. So it's selling that mostly to BP, and it also said it's going to return a big part of those funds to shareholders. So that was cheered on by investors. Some other winners today included WiseTech Global, Horizon, Sigma Pharmaceutical and G8 Education. On the losers list, the worst performer was St Barbara Mines. It fell about 12%. The gold miner had a broker downgrade today, which pushed its shares lower. Another underperformer was AMP, which fell about 5%. It hit fresh 15-year lows after releasing an update. It essentially said that it expects profits for the first half of this calendar year to be about $53 million than this time last year. Fairfax also found itself on that losers list. It fell about 3%, but keep in mind that yesterday it jumped almost 10 on news of its merger with the Nine Entertainment. Now tonight will be quite busy out of the US. We've got economic growth numbers in the United States, so probably the most important bit of economic news out of America. And also Chevron and Exxon will be out with their quarterly profit results later on this evening as well. Next week we've got the Fed's decision on interest rates, which will be a highlight, and the Aussie dollar is weaker for the third week now at 73.8 US.